Welcome to MediHelp YouTube channel. Today I will be explain about CPR. CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It's a most important life-saving technique for no breathing patient.
Shake shoulders and ask, "Are you alright?" If he not respond, check breathing via look, listen and feel. Place the heel of one hand in the center of the chest. Place other hand on top. Interlock finger. Compress the chest. Rate 100 per minute. Depth 4 to 5 centimeters. Equal compressions and equal relaxation. During artificial breaths, pinch the nose, take a normal breath, place over mouth, blow until the chest raises, take about 1 second, allow chest to fall and repeat. Continue CPR until medical assistance arrive.